answer your question, what is Figma? So Figma is an online tool that's used for designing websites and apps. So you can think of it as like a digital drawing board that's really good for designing how websites and applications would actually work. So here are some things that make Figma very special. So the drawing and designing, it's like a digital art program that you can use for creating layouts of websites and apps. There's also teamwork, the teamwork aspect, which means that multiple people can work on the same design at the same time, just like in Google Docs. And you can also use it anywhere on any computer without installing any special software. And you can make really simple, clickable versions of your designs to show how they work. It also has reusable design, so you can save and reuse parts of your design. That makes it easier and keeps a consistent look. It also works on most computers, and you can use it on different types of computers like Linux, Mac, or Windows. It also connects with other tools, so you can work together with other programs and has add-ons for extra features. And of course, there's a huge community that you can go through, and there's lots of resources that you can use in your journey. So basically, Figma is popular because it's super easy to use and you can help teams work together smoothly. It's great for people who are designing the look and interactive parts of their websites and apps, and it helps them really share their product ideas. So I hope you got a general idea of what Figma is and what you can do with it. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.